back to the Berkeley Chef. My name is Chef Elijah and today I'm going to show you how to make a one-pot Mexican quinoa. It is also a one-pan Mexican quinoa if you don't have pots. So you can still make this recipe. For this recipe, the ingredients that you will need is some quinoa. You'll also need some black beans, some bell peppers, some corn. It could be frozen corn, but fresh corn is nice. We also have our spices, which is black pepper, salt, paprika, and cumin. I have an empty bowl here for our onions, garlic, and chives. And we also have some avocados here. We will also need a lemon. You will also need a nice chopping board and a knife for this recipe to cut any ingredients that we will need to cut. Cool fact, we actually got this onion from our garden. Doesn't it look amazing? Let us know in the comments what you think about the onion. First off, we're going to start by chopping up our onion, garlic, onion, and our chives. So let's start off by chopping the garlic first. So we're chopping it nicely. You start to make your eyes water a little bit because we're going to start by chopping up our chives. I'm going to put our chives in here. I think that looks good enough here. The rest of these chives here we'll save for some decoration. Start by lighting our stove, drizzling some olive oil into the pot, and we're going to let this heat a little. Next we're going to add our chives, our onion, and garlic to saute all together. Then we're going to add our cumin, black pepper, paprika, and salt into this. The season too. Now it's time to put in our corn and our peppers. I'm gonna make sure we clean down this bowl good. Then we're gonna add a teeny bit of water to it. Good. Then we're going to put our quinoa. If you want to go in depth about how to cook quinoa, you can check out 2 videos on how we cook quinoa. It'll be in the cards or in the description. Next we're gonna get water enough to cover the quinoa. Then we're covering down our quinoa and letting it cook. So now we're checking on it. It looks really good and it has a little extra water, so we're gonna let it boil a little bit more and we should be done soon. So we'll put in our beans, since this is pre-cooked beans already. We'll put that in. I'm gonna add some turmeric to add some extra coloring to the quinoa. Is this so good? Okay, enough. Take that last one and that'll be it. Until the video. Okay, we're not even fully done the recipe and he's eating everything. So we're gonna start by cutting our avocados here. Perfect flash. So we have our diced avocados. We're putting that in. All of it. Okay, I think that'll be it here. So now, I sense that something looks fishy here. I'm gonna sprinkle a little lemon juice on top.
A Berkeley Chef interruption.
Oh, this hat is so nice and cozy. Make sure to get this hat at berkeleychefs.com/shop. See you there. I better get back to job.
Quinoa. Here's the Mexican quinoa I made. I'm gonna gonna give a bowl to Caleb to try. Let us give it a taste here. Really good.
The avocado is good.
You enjoy it?
Yeah.
Taste the lemon after it. The turmeric add great coloring to the recipe, and the tortilla wrap to go well with it.
This reminds me of a Mexican guacamole.
If you viewers are interested in watching that, make sure to give this video a like and to check out the video right over here.
Time.
Bye! Dun, 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 dun.